Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to make eye-catching Shopify banners with Canva? Let me show you how! Click Create, then type Banner in the field. Select the landscape banner size for this project. Next, choose the Shoes banner template from the options. Type Shoes and explore the suggested options. These two are good choices to consider. Select a panel from these designs or create a new one. Scroll down to explore available banners, then choose the one you want to use. Here, we'll select this banner. You can change the color by selecting a shade. First, choose pink to apply it. Then, try adding another pink tone from the options available. You can also select a blue color and apply it automatically to your design. Adjust colors as needed. Duplicate the shoes layer by pressing Ctrl+T. Select the shoes, then drag to reposition them. Next, go to Edit and change the shoe's color by applying the tundra color. After adjusting the color, delete the original shoe layer copies to clean up the workspace. Repeat the deletion for any extra shoe duplicates you no longer need. This keeps your project organized and focused on the updated shoe designs. I'm going to bring this window to the front position now. Edit the text as needed, then add elements for sales. Type sales in the search bar and select a graphic. Click to add the chosen element to your design. Repeat by typing another item if you want to add more elements. Continue customizing until your design is complete. Locate the flag image. Add the flag to your project. Select the image and choose Rotate. Position the flag, then place the text over it as shown. Press Ctrl+X, then Ctrl+V to move this item into the source folder. Rotate this element to align with the flag. Once you're satisfied with your design, proceed to the next step. Click Share to download or select Print for the best quality. You can also add the image directly to your Shopify banner. Now you know how to design eye-catching Shopify banners with Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.